Today, I'm excited to walk you through the new AI workspace for validating digital product ideas, now available to Prototypr.ai customers. The purpose behind this workspace is to provide businesses with AI solutions that can help accelerate testing, learning, and ultimately drive new product growth. So let me show you around. Okay, we're in an AI product workspace right now, and let's say you have a new idea that you want to research. Well, one thing that I find extremely helpful in the earliest stages of product research is to chat with AI about potential solutions. With a custom GPT-3 and 4 integration, you can easily explore research topics and start building solutions to problems right away. One problem that I'm currently running up against now that Google Optimize has been deprecated is how am I going to implement an A/B test to validate some assumptions that I have around new product positioning. So I started exploring some ideas with GPT-4. And as you can see in this conversation, I asked GPT-4 to help write some Python that would randomly serve up two variations of a web page as part of a server-side A/B test implementation. The output of the code was actually really great, and I'll probably use some variation of this code moving forward. After you're done researching an idea, you can also generate prototypes that you can test. Here I have an integration with our UI with AI tool, and there's also our landing page generator tools show up here. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm interested in validating some new homepage product messaging, and I use Prototypr.ai's landing page generator to help flesh out some positioning ideas. Next up, let's build a test plan and formalize this experiment and hypothesis. All right, here's a link to a test plan that I'm working on for the new homepage redesign. As you can see here, there's the hypothesis at the top. You can toggle whether or not it's true or false after you get the results. You can input key learnings. You can include some experiment design information, background information about maybe some benchmarks that you're looking to include or to measure yourself against. Also, you could look at including your target audience for the test. Underneath that, there's some creative that you can upload. So if you have different variations of your experience that you're looking to test, you can add them there. There's a part for an experiment results, so you can add a link to a Data Studio dashboard. And last but not least, there is a next step section. So what are you going to take as a result of this test? Okay, next up, let's talk a little bit more about the data capabilities of the Prototypr.ai platform. If you're a data-driven professional like me and you want to hold your ideas accountable, you obviously need some data to validate your assumptions. So this AI product workspace offers you the ability to link to any reports that you may have from around the web. Here's a link to a Looker Studio report, which I use to capture some baselines around current homepage performance. But if you do have Google Analytics 4, Prototypr.ai now offers, in closed beta, the ability to import your GA4 data and use our test center reporting platform. This reporting solution offers a simplified reporting view into various stages of the product lifecycle, such as insights into user acquisition, product engagement, and customer retention. I'm not going to go into this too much because I put a video together. Feel free to check that out. And it's really, really good. I'm really excited about the analytics piece of this platform. And last, but certainly not least, you'll see at the top of the page a piece where you can invite your team, right? So Prototypr.ai is a workspace that's team-based because workspaces are obviously so much more fun when you're working with teams. So I'd like to ask you to invite yours today. All right, and that's it. That's the new AI product workspace in a nutshell. If you'd like to test out this workspace, please request an invite at Prototypr.ai. Thanks so much for your time. I really appreciate it. And please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks again.